My name is Brent Heckman, the Sales and Marketing Manager for Skyline Homes here in McMinnville, Oregon. I've been with the company since June of 2016, been in the industry since 1993. We have been recognized for a large percentage of energy efficient homes through the Energy Star program in NEEM. We also build even a higher program than that, which has most recently been launched in the last couple of years, NEEM Plus 2.0. Our footprint in the carbon world is minimal with in-house construction. We're consolidated here in our buildings. Having homes built in a factory setting like this in a controlled environment is essential. Here in the Pacific Northwest, the amount of rainfall and inclement weather we get, we build all year long. I think it gives us an edge. We bring nothing but kiln-dried lumber into the facility and dry components, and our workers are able to stay comfortable and dry and warm as well. So you got happier workers. Talking about the relationship with our retailers, we are absolutely nothing without them. People look at me kind of with a different eye when I say we're only about 60% of the project. And the question usually, or statement is, but Brent, you build the homes. Without the retailers, there's no freight, the site improvements don't take place. We're building the boxes, but they're the ones that see it to the finish line. Our partnership with those retailers is everything. Together as a team, we make the finished product the home for everyone.
My name is Todd Haddikin. I'm the General Manager of Skyline Homes here in McMinnville, Oregon. I've now been with Skyline right at 5 years. Skyline's always had a reputation for providing quality homes and providing great service to their customers throughout time. We pride ourselves on not just building to the minimum codes, but exceeding those in many ways to enable our homes to last longer periods of time out in the field. And one of the big focuses right now at Skyline Champion is continuous improvement. Customers, aren't looking for always price increases to cover costs of the products they buy, but if we can become more efficient, we can offer products at a cheaper rate, not by raising prices, but by creating less waste material and showing better value to the products that we produce.
What have I heard about our product from customers? I think the most recent thing recognized is being recognized as the most trusted brand. They did a survey over 23,000 people nationwide, buyers, and it was unanimous that we were selected as the most trusted brand for 2021.
I think the future of Skyline Champion it's unlimited, and we just need to find ways to attract more folks that can come in and help us construct the products that we sell so that we can take more orders and deliver more product to that customer. As a whole, I think our industry needs to focus in on exposing the product to more people. We build great homes. The challenge is we're about 10% of the total home buying volume in any given year. In order to get that 90% that don't buy our products into our homes, we need for them to first find them and see them. So we have an opportunity to try to sell them, on the idea of buying an off-site built home and taking advantage of all the things that we can offer. We've got great support at a corporate level, and they enable us to make local decisions that make sense for the areas that we service. They've provided us with means, with software, with product, which keep us competitive out in the marketplace, and that's all I could ask.